Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of starting your day with soggy cereal or sugary pancakes that leave you in an energy slump by 10 a.m.? It's time to ditch those pathetic excuses for breakfast and fuel your body with some bloody brilliant high-protein options. I'm talking about breakfast that will kickstart your metabolism, keep you full and satisfied for hours, and give you the energy you need to conquer your day. Let's start with a classic Greek yogurt. This isn't some bland, watery mess. It's thick, it's creamy, and it's packed with protein to power you through your morning. And don't even think about skimping on the good stuff. We're talking full-fat, plain Greek yogurt. Trust me, the flavor is worth it. Now I know what you're thinking. Gordon, plain yogurt? That sounds bloody boring. But here's the beauty of it. You can customize it to your liking. Add some fresh berries for sweetness, a drizzle of honey for indulgence, or a handful of nuts for crunch. Next up, we've got eggs, the undisputed champion of breakfast proteins. Don't be a lazy sod and tell me you can't boil an egg. 2 minutes for soft, 3 for medium, and 4 for hard. It's not rocket science. But eggs aren't just for boiling. Scramble them, fry them, poach them, bake them. The possibilities are endless. And don't even get me started on omelets. You can load those bad boys up with all sorts of delicious and nutritious ingredients, like veggies, cheese, and even a bit of lean meat. Get creative and make your taste buds sing. Cottage cheese is another fantastic high-protein breakfast option that often gets overlooked. It's creamy, it's tangy, and it's packed with filling protein. Don't be afraid to add a bit of sweetness with some fruit or a drizzle of honey. And for those of you who like a bit of crunch in the morning, sprinkle on some chopped nuts or seeds. Trust me, this is a breakfast that will keep you feeling full and satisfied until lunchtime. Oatmeal. It's not just for horses, you know. This humble grain is actually a great source of fiber and protein, especially if you choose steel-cut or rolled oats over those instant packets full of sugar. But here's the secret. To make your oatmeal a true protein powerhouse, you need to beef it up. Add a scoop of protein powder, a handful of nuts or seeds, or even a dollop of nut butter. You can also cook your oatmeal in milk or almond milk for an extra protein boost. Short on time in the mornings? Then smoothies are your new best friend. But we're not talking about those sugary fruit bombs that will leave you craving a nap by noon. We're talking about protein-packed smoothies that will fuel your body and mind. Start with a base of Greek yogurt or milk. Then add a scoop of protein powder, a handful of spinach or kale, and some frozen fruit for sweetness. Blend it all up, and you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious breakfast on the go. Now, I know what you're thinking. Gordon, where's the bacon? Listen, I love a good rasher of bacon as much as the next guy, but let's be real. It's not exactly the healthiest way to start your day. But that doesn't mean you have to give up on sausage altogether. Turkey and chicken sausage are leaner alternatives that still deliver on flavor. Just make sure you choose varieties that are low in sodium and preservatives. Quinoa. It's not just a trendy buzzword, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. That makes it a fantastic breakfast option, especially if you're looking for a gluten-free alternative to traditional cereals. You can cook quinoa in water or milk, just like oatmeal. Add your favorite toppings like fruit, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. You can even make a savory quinoa breakfast bowl with sautéed vegetables and a poached egg. There you have it, you Muppets! 7 high-protein breakfast options that will make you feel like you can conquer the world. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or settling for sugary cereal. These breakfasts are packed with protein, fiber, and flavor, and they'll keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. Now go out there and make me proud.
Like, comment, and subscribe.